Right. This is grade 11, paper number 12. Question number 1, part A. Simplify. Simplification of algebraic fractions. X plus 1 over y divide by 2 bracket x plus 1 over x. Then in the first fraction, numerator x plus 1, factorize x plus 1, then bracket x plus 1 over y. Division change into multiplication, take the reciprocal x over 2 bracket x plus 1. Then you have multiplication of two fractions. Multiply numerators x plus 1 times x over denominators y times 2 times x plus 1. Right. Now the numerator consists factorized expression. Denominator also consists a factorized expression. Therefore, we can divide both numerator and denominator by the same factor. Divide both sides by the factor x plus 1. Then numerator remains x over denominator, it remains 2y. X over 2y. Right. Part B. A certain group of children bought some apples. When all apples are cut into 4 equal pieces and divide 1 piece for each child, 3 pieces remained. When all apples are cut into 3 equal pieces and divide 1 piece for each child, there was a short of 2 pieces. A short of 2 pieces කියන්නේ pieces දෙකක් මදි වුණා. By taking the number of children as x. Part B. Number of children as x and number of apples as y. Number of apples as y. Build up a pair of simultaneous equations and find the number of children and the number of apples. Right, let's move to the top of the question. A certain group of children bought some apples. When all apples are cut into 4 equal pieces, the number of apples is y. If all apples are cut into 4 equal pieces, there are 4 times y pieces. One apple is cut into 4 equal pieces, altogether y apples. Number of pieces of apples 4y. 4y. And divide 1 piece for each child. 1 piece for each child, 3 pieces remain. Now there are x students, x children. If we give 1 piece for each child, total number of pieces for all the children is 3x. 3x. Then 3 pieces remain. The number of pieces of apple given to the children is 3x. Then again 3 pieces remain. Wait. When all apples are cut into 3x නෙමෙයි. Wait. ඔන්න මම I ගන්නවා මුලින් ඉඳන් and then ඔයාලට පැටලෙයි. Right. Again. When all apples are cut into 4 equal pieces. If all apples are cut into 4 equal pieces, there are 4 y pieces of apples. There are 4 y pieces of apples. Then divide 1 piece for each child. If we give 1 piece for each child, number of pieces given to the children equal to the number of children. because each child received one piece of apple. So total number of pieces given to the children is X. Lamai pahai na pas denata pieces pahai. ඒ විදිහටනේ. Right. Pieces ගානයි ළමයි ගානයි සමානයි. 3 pieces remain. Now this is the number of pieces given to the children plus 3 pieces remain. So X plus 3 equal total number of pieces. Total number of pieces. X plus 3 equal 4y. Let's rearrange this equation. X here. 4y take left side minus 4y equal plus 3 take right side minus 3. This is first equation. On the first equation. Then when all apples are cut into 3 equal pieces, when all apples are cut into 3 equal pieces, there are y apples. If all apples are cut into 3 equal pieces, 3 times y, 3y pieces of apples. And divide 1 piece for each child. 1 piece for each child. There are X children. If we give 1 piece for each child, number of pieces needed for all children is X. Then there was a short of 2 pieces. Short of 2 pieces. එතකොට pieces දෙකක් මදි වෙනවා. Right? Pieces දෙකක් මදි වෙනවා. එහෙනම් to give the pieces for all children, 3y pieces of apple and another 2 pieces are needed. The pieces දෙකක් apple කෑලි දෙකක් මදි වෙනවා. මේ තියෙන apple කෑලි ටිකට තව කෑලි දෙකක් ඕනේ ළමයි ඔක්කොටම දෙන්න නම්. මේ තියෙන apple ටික මදි. කෑලි දෙකක් මදි. මේ තියෙන කෑලි ගණන කෑලි දෙකක් මදි. තියෙන apple ටිකට තව කෑලි දෙකක් එකතු කරොත් තමයි ළමයින්ට දෙන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ. So X equal 3y pieces plus 2 pieces. Rearrange. X 3y take left side minus 3y equal right side remains 2. Equation B. Now we constructed 2 equations. Then solve them. Solve. This is plus 6. This is plus 6. Plus 6 plus 6. Same signs and algebraic symbol X. Now I'll take equation B minus equation A. Equation B left side X minus 3y minus bracket. Equation A left side X minus 4y equal. Equation B right side 2 minus. Equation A right side minus 3. Then X minus 3y minus times X minus 6 minus times minus 4y plus 4y equal 2 minus times minus 3 plus 3. Then you remove minus 6 plus 6. Minus 3y plus 4y is y equal 2 plus 3 is 5. Y equal 5. Then find the value of X. So I'll take equation B. From equation B, y equal 5. So this is X. X minus 3 times y equal 5 equals to X minus 3 times 5 minus 15 equals to X equal 2 minus 15 take here plus 15. X equals 17. X equals 17. Solve them and write the number of children and number of apples. So number of children is X. Therefore 17 children. 17 children. Number of apples is Y. 5 apples. 5 apples. Oh, no. 17 children and 5 apples. Let's consider the marks. Build up the first equation 1 mark, second equation 1 mark. Solve them. First answer 2 marks, second answer 1 mark. Write the number of children and number of apples separately 1 mark. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Altogether 6. Simplify this algebraic fraction 4 marks. Then the total 10 marks. 10 marks for the first question. You recorrect it. Right. Question number 2. AP bisects the angle CAB in the picture. AP bisect the angle CAB. That means these two angles are equal. And AC equals CP. AC equals CP. From number 1, copy down the illustration onto your answer script and mark all the information given on it and show that AB parallel CP. AB parallel CP. Right. Then consider this diagram. AC equals CP data. Therefore, CAP angle, this angle, CAP angle equal CPA angle. CPA angle. These two angles are equal. Reason. You have to write the reason here. What the reason is? The theorem. If two sides of a triangle are equal, angles opposite to the equal sides, angle opposite to this side here, this side here, these two angles are equal. This angle and this one are equal. You have to write the theorem as a reason in here. Then again, CAP angle equal, this angle equal BAC angle, this one, BAC angle, data. It is given in the diagram, data. These two angles are equal. Now consider last two relations. CAP equal CPA, CAP equal BAC. Both left sides are equal. Therefore, axioms CPA angle equal BAC angle, axioms. Now, the two angles CPA, this one, and BAP, this one, these two, BAP, make a B, right? CAP equal BAP. See when the BAP. So this is BAP. Both left sides equal, right side CPA equal BAP. CPA this one, BAP this one. These two equal. Now if we consider the two straight lines AB and CP, the two angles, these two angles are the alternate angles. The formed alternate angles equal. Therefore, the two straight lines AB and CP are parallel. Therefore, AB parallel CP. AB parallel CP. The reason, you have to write the reason here. Methanally unknown reason. The formed alternate angles are equal. The formed alternate angles are equal. That's why the two lines AB and CP parallel. Then Rome number 2, the bisector of ACP. Now already we proved these two are parallel. These two lines are parallel. Then the bisector of ACP, bisector of ACP meets AP at Q, AP here, AP at Q and AB at R, AB at R, this is R. Prove that ACQ triangle, this triangle congruent PCQ triangle, this triangle. These two triangles congruent. This is bisector. Bisector of ACP. Angles deka samana. Now you write the data and TPT because you have to prove this one. Write data, then write TPT. Anivarenly unknown. Data TPT ලියලා proof එකට යමු. Proof. Consider ACQ triangle and CPQ triangle. In these two triangles, this is ACQ angle equal, ACQ angle equal PCQ angle, data, because the data given, the bisector of ACP is CQ. CQ is the bisector of ACP. That's why the two angles equal. Then this angle, CAP angle equal this angle. CPA angle here. CAP equal CPA. Reason above proof. We prove it in Rome number 1. Then AC equal CP. Data. So angle side, AAS case. Therefore, ACQ triangle congruent, CPQ triangle, reason AAS case. Right. Now we prove it. Then Rome number 3. බලන්න. If CQ equal QR, where this is CQ equal QR, may then equal now. If CQ equal QR, show that the quadrilateral ARPC is a rhombus. ARPC is a rhombus. Let's join this one. PR. Show that ARPC is a rhombus. Right. Let's prove it. Right. Now I am going to follow this method. First, I'm going to show ARPC is a parallelogram. ARPC is a parallelogram. After showing ARPC is a parallelogram, okay, after showing ARPC is a parallelogram, in this parallelogram, the adjacent side, a pair of adjacent side AC and CP are equal. AC and CP are equal. These two sides equal data. If a pair of adjacent side of a parallelogram are equal, then it is a rhombus. Then grade 10 17th lesson parallelograms 2 මතක් කරන්න වෙනවා. අන්න එතනදී අපි parallelograms with special properties යටතේ කතා කරා rhombus ගැන. එතකොට rhombus එකක් කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? අපි කියන්නේ rhombus එකක් කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියලා අහුවාම ඉස්සර ඔයා කිව්වේ rhombus කියන්නේ පැති හතරම සමාන parallelogram එකක් කොහොමම කතානේ. හැබැයි rhombus එකේ definition එක 10න් check කරලා බලන්න. rhombus එකේ definition එක තමයි if a pair of adjacent side මේ adjacent මෙහෙම set වෙන්න එපා. A pair of adjacent sides of a parallelogram are equal, then it is a rhombus. ආන්ගේ definition එක පාවිච්චි කරනවා. adjacent side දෙක සමානයි කියලා දීලා තියෙනවා. ඒක data වල තියෙනවා. අපි කරන්න ඕනේ එකම දේ ARPC parallelogram එකක් කියලා පෙන්නන්න ඕනේ. ඒකත් මෙහෙමයි. AR parallel CP කියලා above proof එකක් තියෙනවා. මේ දෙන්න parallel කියලා කලින් අපි proof කරලා තියෙනවා. අපිට ඕනේ AB equal CP කියලා පෙන්න ගන්න. AB equal CP කියලා පෙන්න ගන්න මම මෙහෙම කරනවා. දැන් මේ ගානේ CQ equal QR කියලා දුන්නා. Now I'm going to show ARQ triangle congruent ACQ triangle කියලා පෙන්නනවා. බෝඩ් එකේ ඊටමදී මම මෙහෙම manage කරනවා. Consider ARQ triangle and ACQ triangle. ARQ triangle, ACQ triangle. මේ triangles දෙකේ මම මේ ටික ලියන්නේ කියනවා. ඔයා බලන්න. In these two triangles, QR equal CQ. QR equal CQ data. ඔන්න side එක. මේ triangle එකේ මෙන්න මේ angle එක. BAQ angle equal CAQ angle. මෙයයි මේ සමානයි data. මුලින්ම තියෙනවා. ඊගාවට මේන් බලන්න. මෙන්න මෙතන. දැන් AB parallel CP. මෙන්න මෙයයි alternate angles. මෙතන cross mark එකයි මෙතන cross mark එකයි. මෙයයි සමානයි. Alternate angles between parallel lines. මෙයයි සමානයි. ඊට පස්සේ මෙයයි සමානයි data. එහෙනම් මේ දෙන්න සමානයි axioms. මේ angle එකට මේක සමානයි. මෙයාට මෙයා සමානයි, මෙයාට මෙයා සමානයි. QR ට CQ සමානයි. ඉස්සෙල්ලා වගේම angle side. angle side වලින් මේ දෙන්න congruent වෙනවා. angle side වලින් මේ දෙන්න congruent කියලා ඔයා ඔප්පු කරන්න. congruent කියලා proof කරන්න මේකේ කොටසක්. Right? Congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, ඔන්න ඊට පස්සේ ලියනවා මේ triangle දෙක congruent නිසා මෙන්න මේ side එක AR then ඊට පස්සේ ඔයා ලියන්න ඕනේ AR equal AC. Reason corresponding sides of two congruent triangles are equal. AR equal AC. corresponding sides of two congruent triangles are equal. ඊට පස්සේ ඔයාලා ලියනවා මෙන්න මේක. මේ AR equal CP data. AR equal AR නෙමෙයි AR මෙතනනේ. මෙහෙම ලියන්න. CP මේක මේ CP equal AC. CP equal AC බලන්න. CP equal AC data දීලා තියෙනවා. Now consider this relation. Make right side AC AC. එහෙනම් therefore axioms AR equal CP axioms. ඔන්න අපි පෙන්නුවා AR equal CP. AR equal CP. මේ දෙන්න සමානයි. Then again we know that AR parallel CP. මේ AR parallel CP. මේ දෙන්න parallel කියලා ඔප්පු කරලා තියෙනවා. above proof. මෙන්න මෙතන තියෙන්නේ AB parallel CP කියන්නේ AR parallel CP තමයි. above proof. එහෙනම් AR equal CP, AR parallel CP. Therefore ARPC is a parallelogram. Make a parallelogram. ARPC is a parallelogram. Reason එක ලියන්න ඕනේ මෙතන. A pair of opposite sides. A pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral are parallel and equal. Therefore this is a parallelogram. Now we proved ARPC is a parallelogram. Then in this parallelogram AC equal CP. Then AC equal CP data. On AC equal CP data. Therefore ARPC is a rhombus. Enam make a rhombus ekak. This is a rhombus because reason හේතුව මෙන්න මෙතන ලියන්න ඕන reason එක ඔන්න මම කියනවා ඔයා ලියා ගන්න. Reason if a pair of adjacent sides of a parallelogram are equal, then it is a rhombus. If a pair of adjacent sides of a parallelogram are equal, then it is a rhombus. Right. Now we completed it. Marks. From number 1, copy the diagram and mark the data 1 mark. Then you prove AB parallel CP 2 marks. Then this congruency part 3 marks. Final one 4 marks. Altogether 10. Not 10 marks. 10 marks for the second question. Recorrect it. Right. Question number 3, part A. When importing a certain electrical equipment, customs duty of 55% of its value has to be paid. If the value of the equipment which was imported is 28,000 rupees, from number 1, find the value of the equipment after the customs duty is paid. Question number 3, part A, from number 1. Amount of duty is 28,000 multiplied by 55%. 28,000 multiplied by 55%. That means 15,400 rupees. 15,400 rupees. So value after paying the customs duty is 28,000 plus 15,400. It is 43,400 rupees. 43,400 rupees. Now you can obtain this answer. You can obtain this answer when multiplying the value of the equipment 28,000 by 155%. Directly you can multiply 28,000 by 155%. Then you will obtain 43,400 because the import value 28,000. The duty 55%. If the import value 100, duty 55, total amount 155. Therefore, if we multiply 28,000 by 155%, you will obtain the final answer 43,400. Problem number 2. If the marked, if it is marked 56,420 as the selling price of that equipment, find the expected profit percentage. Now we know the marked price. Therefore, find the expected profit. Expected profit is marked price 56,420 minus cost price 43,400. So, expected profit is 13,020. 13,020 rupees. Therefore, expected percentage profit is expected profit 13,020 over cost price 43,400 multiplied by 100%. So expected percentage profit is 30%. 30%. Expected percentage profit is 30%. Then ROM number 3, it is earned a profit of 28% when selling the above equipment by giving a discount. Find the discount given. So it is earned a profit of 28%. Let's find earned profit from number 3. Earned profit is cost price 43,400 multiplied by 28%. That means 28 over 100. So the earned profit is 2020 434 multiplied 28. What do you obtain? $434 multiplied 28. 12,152. 12,152. This is the earned profit. But the expected profit is 13,020. Now what the question asks? Find the discount given. Therefore discount. Therefore discount is expected profit minus actual profit. 13,020 minus 12,152. 10 minus 2, 8. 11 minus 5, 6. 9 minus 1, 8. 868 rupees. The discount given 868 rupees. Then part B. Now you can ask the questions. Part B. 1,800 rupees has to be paid as quarterly rates for a certain house. If the relevant provincial council charges 15% of the assessed annual value of the house as rates, find the assessed annual value of the house. Right. Now we know the quarterly rates. Quarterly rates is 1,800 rupees. Then you find the annual rates. Annual rates is 1,800 multiplied 4 because there are 4 quarters per year. 4 quarters per year. So annual rates is 7,200 rupees. 7,200. The provincial council charges 15% of assessed annual value as the rates. Therefore, 15% of assessed value of the property is the rates. It is 7,200. Then you find 1% of assessed value. 7,200 divided by 15. Then you find 100% of assessed value. 7,200 divided by 15 multiplied by 100. So it is 720,000 divided by 15. Then you will obtain 720,000 divided by 15. 48,000 rupees. Annual assessed value of the property is 48,000 rupees. 48,000 rupees. That's all. Then marks. Part A, room number 1, 2 marks. Room number 2, three marks. Make it a 3 marks. Now here 862 12,152 1 mark, 868 1 mark. Sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now here annual rates 1 mark, 48,000 2 marks. Now all together 10. Third question 10 marks. You recorrect it.